Good afternoon, guys. Here we are. Update on the tree. We got the bird nest up there now. It's doing very well. I'm actually in the middle of giving the birds something to eat. The beehives here still haven't gotten here. We're waiting about it's either tomorrow or the day after. And we're gonna put this guy here into a new hive and then see if we can trap the swarm that's in the bigger box in the backyard. And then that's where we're gonna be. And this is just a cool video for you guys. Little updates on what's going on around here. Oh, hey.